Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple rows in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need to clean up your spreadsheet quickly, removing outdated data or unnecessary entries without having to delete rows one by one. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct login details handy so you can access your workspace without any delays. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage. This is where all your existing files and sheets are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet where you want to delete multiple rows. It could be a project tracker, a task list, or any other type of spreadsheet you've been working on. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open it up. Now, wait for the sheet to fully load. This might take a few seconds depending on how much data is stored in it, so just give it a moment to display all your rows and columns properly. Once everything is visible, we can move on to selecting the rows you want to delete. Here's where things get interesting. Smartsheet gives you two different methods to select multiple rows, and you can choose whichever feels more comfortable or suits your situation better. The first method is to click on any row number on the left side of the sheet. Once you've clicked it, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click on another row. This will select all the rows between your first click and your second click, which is perfect if you're deleting a continuous block of data. The second method is great for when you need to delete rows that aren't next to each other. Click on any row number, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on each additional row you want to delete. This allows you to pick and choose specific rows across your entire sheet without selecting everything in between. Once all the rows you want to remove are highlighted, simply right-click anywhere on one of the selected rows. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Delete. Smartsheet will immediately remove all the selected rows from your sheet, and your data will adjust accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple rows in Smartsheet, saving yourself time and keeping your spreadsheet organized and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.